What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
What do you do?
I am a student.
And what is your favorite color?
It is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
What's the weather like today?
It is sunny.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do love coffee.
Can you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like to travel?
No, I prefer staying home.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I am an only child.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apples.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax and watch TV.
Do you like cooking?
No, I don't like cooking.